Okay, send you. Are you coming now? Hello, good evening. Okay, good. Okay, start. You hear me?
Ajahn, start.
You hear me? You want
Yes,
to
Ajahn.
you want to read or I show you, I read for you after you read, okay? Okay.
Yes, Ajahn.
Okay. I want some pen. Okay, I want some pen. So what color I need? Maybe this color. Okay. More. Bigger. Okay. Okay, start now. Okay, start. Okay. ใจ You repeat after me. ใจ ใน ใด ใส Yeah. Next. ใจดี มีใจ Yeah. มีใจ ไปนา ไปนา What is? How you pronounce? How you read? มาไว Yeah, มาไว Yes. ชาดี สีใด ใสดี ในใจ Okay? Say again. You say. ชาดี
ไปนา
Where? ไปหา ปีใด พาไป โตดีใจ ไปปีใด ไปไว ไปทีไร ไปดี กาสีใด สีใส มีในใจ ไปในนา ใสไว พาไปที Okay, we go back. Yeah, we go back. I read after you read. I explain the meaning, okay? Yeah? Can you read? ใจ You say ใจ What does it mean ใจ ใจ is a mind, spirit or soul. Heart could be heart. Your heart, your mind, your spirit, your soul. That we say ใจ okay? ใจ Next. ใน mean in. Preposition in. in
Position. Yes.
yeah, in the room in the room in the room in the car
No.
yeah in the box in the box in ในบ้านในรถ yeah ในสวน in the garden ในสวนใน in okay in ใดmean anything anybody anyone that the meaning okay any
No.
ใดใส mean very clear or transparency or clear is a clear ใส different meaning you remember different meaning yeah we study before where we say I see somewhere oh why oh again line go out go back againโอเคไม่สามารถเนื่องจากข้อผิดพลาดชั่วคราวโอเคwhy okay I'm sorry my internet not working interrupt
Okay, Ajahn. No problem, Ajahn.
maybe it's
Yeah.
rain in Bangkok it's rain now it's raining
Yes.
huh
No, Ajahn. Here is not raining.
okay we keep going okay study more okay go ใส mean clear very clear example น้ำใส clear water ฟ้าใส
Water. Yes.
clear sky
ฟ้าใส
yeah ฟ้าใส ฟ้า mean the sky ฟ้าใส clear sky ฟ้า mean sky okay okay ใส mean clear or transparency yeah very clear ใส next ใจดี you know ใจดี good heart good mind or very kind a good heart good mind good spirit or good soul yeah good heart ใจดี very kind okay ใจดี what is มีใจ mean have mind have heart have spirit แก่มีใจ ไปนา go to the right field ไปนามาไว come quickly why mean quickly come quickly มาไว come quickly okay มาไว why mean quickly yeah ชาดี ชา mean tea you drink tea you drink coffee yeah ชา mean tea you drink tea okay ชาดี mean good tea okay ชาดี สีใด what color ฮะ สี mean color
Your voice is not clear.
huh not clear oh maybe signal I think some area is rain interrupt internet not clear you cannot hear me
Problem.
Huh? Huh? Problem? Okay, maybe tomorrow we study. Okay, you hear? Okay, tomorrow. Okay,
Raining.
it's rain, it's
Sir,
rain,
you
it's
can
rain.
hear me?
Okay, I hear, but
Yes.
not all the time. I hear you sometime. I hear you only sometime. Maybe I think tomorrow we try again tomorrow. Some area is rain interrupt in internet signal. Okay, see you tomorrow.
No.
Huh? You understand? I do typing. I send message to you.
No.
We can study tomorrow because yeah, because is rain. Okay.